how to give a cat their asthma medication. Now, one of the things that you're going to want is one of these right here. Usually the brand name ones tend to be the best, unfortunately, and they have a little nub there that will show the cat being able to breathe. I will put a description of one of these down below. You're going to need one of these. You're going to need the cat's asthma inhaler. Shake it up, place it in the back like so. It fits in with a nice rubber seal. These are all individual parts that can be cleaned. And you're going to want some of your cat's favorite treats. Can be cat food type treats or can be solid type treats. It doesn't matter as long as they're interested in them. Give them a treat, get them nice and settled. This is Pookie. She's 13 years old and has had asthma for most of her life, but has only had asthma medication for a few months. Get her nice and comfy, have her sit. We've already given her a treat. Put this over her face. It's gonna go over the eyes a little bit. Make sure you see the nozzle moving for the breathing. Give one squirt and hold it for 5 to 7 breaths. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. And then immediately give the treats as a reward. Most people, well, not most people, some people will say that giving treats to the cat is probably not the best way to do this. I find it helps to relax them, put them into a more positive frame of mind. And so she has become to associate having her medicine with having a treat and sitting and getting some affection. So she's no longer nervous about it. She's no longer sensitive about it. This cup is going to look like it's interfering with their vision. It looks like it's blocking their eyes. It looks like it can be very uncomfortable and upsetting to them. But much like most cats, if you put your hand over their face gently, they will just sit there and they'll just mildly accept it if they're, relatively good natured. But you don't have to be a veterinarian to do this. You don't need to be anybody who's especially good with animals. One of the good things about it is, like I said, you get it right over here and you just control her so she's nice and safe. I've got somewhere behind me that's not moving. And then you can just put this over the face like that. I'm not going to do that to her right now because she's been a very good cat. Anyway, that's one of the easy ways that you can give a cat their asthma medication.